Hello, welcome back to my 31 days of posting videos on YouTube all about decluttering and organizing. I'm Jess Marcy, a professional organizer, and my method of decluttering and organization is called Prioritize Your Sanity. So all of my tips and tricks about decluttering and organizing will help you to prioritize your sanity every single day. So today's tip is a question that I get asked all the time. Where should I start? What should I start with when I'm decluttering and I'm trying to organize my house? And there is a right answer to this question. The order that we work in for decluttering your home, when you're going to go through the whole house and you're going to start decluttering, is first of all, we work in categories. So I have a whole video about why it's important to work in categories, and I'll link to that below. And then we work from large to small and easy to hard. Large to small means that we're going to try and find big collections. So clothing, linens, bathroom stuff, anything that's a large collection that you have, you want to start with there because you want to free up as much space as you possibly can for your future decluttering and organizing. So you want to take on a massive collection in the beginning and declutter it so that you're freeing up more space to work with moving forward. You also want to work from an easy collection to a hard collection. So when I say easy, I'm talking about emotionally easy. What collection do you have that you have very little emotional attachment to? So large, easy collections, and then you want to work your way through to smaller, more difficult collections. So examples of large, easy collections: your clothing, your linens, your bathroom stuff, kitchen appliances, dishes, anything that's a really big collection and something that you can easily declutter, you don't have a lot of emotional attachment to. And then you work to the harder stuff over time because you have to get good at decluttering. It's a skill and you have to practice it, and the more you do it, the easier it becomes. The more clear it becomes to you what is important to you. What do you want to keep in your life? So you start with those big, easy collections and work your way to those smaller, more difficult collections. Now, as you're decluttering, what do you do when you come to something? Say you're doing a big, easy collection and you come to something that you have a lot of emotional attachment to that's mixed up in that collection. So maybe it's sneakers that you wore when you did your first marathon and you remember crossing the finish line with these sneakers. You don't wear them anymore, they're totally worn out, but they're with your sneakers. If you come to something that you have a lot of emotional attachment to, just skip over it. Put that aside. That's memorabilia. That's not part of whatever collection it was in. So put that with the appropriate stuff, the memorabilia, or this, the stuff that wherever you're keeping all of your stuff that has high emotional value, and deal with that later when you're better at all of this. But for now, you're going to go through all of the easy stuff that you can make quick decisions on first. So easy to hard, large to small. That is the correct order to declutter your home. For more tips, subscribe to this channel. I'm posting a video every day in January, so that's 31 videos. You can also find out more about my method of decluttering and organizing by following me on Facebook or going to prioritizeyoursanity.com. Thanks for watching.